Staying calm and relaxed whilst we try to lose weight is absolutely vital, as cortisol plays a huge role in whether or not we do actually lose weight, whether we're using keto and intermittent fasting or any other type of weight loss program. So today we're going to talk about the breath and how to utilize that to stay calm and collected. Welcome to the Liz and Scats channel. Hi, I'm Liz and I'm a clinical holistic therapist, yoga and meditation teacher, and very soon to be a keto nutritionalist as well. So with my husband and my lovely Scats, we have lost over 110 pounds between us and reversed Scats' type 2 diabetes by using keto and intermittent fasting. Absolutely amazing. Now we have much more time to delve into the holistic side of keeping you fit, healthy, and at your ideal weight. So help us to help you by doing this.
Subscribe, and click on the bell.
Pranayama is a yogic tool that actually utilizes the breath in order to relax and to calm and to reset you at a cellular level so that we can keep our cortisol levels down to a minimum and help to stay stress-free and relaxed whilst you're on your keto and intermittent fasting journeys. Also, whilst utilizing the breath in this way, we actually increase oxytocin, which is the king of all hormones. And when the king of all the hormones is in charge and brightly shining, it actually helps to keep all the other hormones in balance in our bodies. 2 years ago, I was in Northeast India, the home of yoga, to actually learn how to become a yoga teacher. And whilst we were there, we learnt this beautiful pranayama practice called Bumblebee, which otherwise means Bumblebee Breath. It's so simple. All we do is make the noise of a bumblebee with our mouths closed like a gentle hum, and all will be revealed as we go into it later on. First, let's find out the benefits. Number 1. Bumblebee breath reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and actually increases the oxytocin in our body. So it's wonderful for weight loss, but even if you're just feeling anxious, depressed, or stressed, this is a perfect tool for you. Number 2, this means that we increase our willpower and we increase our self-esteem, all of which is perfection for whilst we're trying to get healthy, lose weight, or stay on an exercise regime. Number 3, it renews neural pathways in the brain. Unbelievable. This beautiful practice, so simple, so easy to do, actually helps you to create new neural pathways, to create new behavioral patterns that will help you stay on track with your weight loss and your health. Number 4, all of your hormones will become balanced when we do this practice. Thyroxine, insulin, progesterone, estrogen, oxytocin, all of the above will become beautifully balanced. Number 5, the last one in this little section, pranayama of any kind actually resets our brains at a cellular level. So everything just goes back to normal, a bit like shaking a bag of flour so that it's all flat on the top again. Wonderful. So how do we do it? It's so simple. Find somewhere peaceful and quiet. You can even have a little bit of lovely calming music on in the background. Make sure that you're warm enough or cool enough, depending on where you live in the world, and make yourself nice and comfortable, whether that be sitting in a nice comfortable position with a nice blanket wrapped around your shoulders for warmth and coziness, or whether you want to lie down. Either of these is fine. First, what we do is just to try and center ourselves by bringing ourselves home to the breath. I always like to think of the breath as home, because whenever we wander off, we can always come back to it. We can wander off in our thoughts and our minds, but always coming back to home, the center, the breath. So gently breathing. If you can, breathe into your belly as well, so that every inhale, the belly rises outwards like a balloon, and exhale goes back to normal. That's a wonderful way to bring more oxygen into your system. Let's start by taking a couple of deep breaths together. Are you ready? Sitting comfortably, and breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Wonderful. Now at this point you can close your eyes if you feel comfortable. If you don't feel comfortable closing your eyes, as not everybody does, you can focus on one point in front of you, perhaps a candle or something, an object of some description, that's just going to hold your focus so that you're not distracted by any visual stuff that's happening in your room. So now let's try doing the Bumblebee Breath, Bumblebee. We'll do 2 breaths in first, and on the 3rd breath out, we will hum like a beautiful bumblebee. Just follow me, you'll see how easy it is. Last time. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and feel the sensations of the vibration wandering through every little nook and cranny of your body. It's beautiful, isn't it? Now let's try something a little different now. I'm just going to remove my blanket so that I can get my arms up to my ears. For those of you who want to delve a little bit deeper into this practice, we can actually close our eyes and ears and give ourselves a completely internal vibration, which is wonderful as well. Just follow me for the first few and then you can join in afterwards. I'm going to put my thumbs into my ears and cover gently my eyes with my hands. Taking a couple of deep breaths. Wonderful. Take a couple of seconds just to regroup and feel those beautiful sensations around your body. You've done a wonderful thing for yourself. Repeat as often as you need to. It doesn't matter. I often, when I'm out and about, I'll be in my car, I'll be humming away in my car, obviously with my eyes open, but just because it keeps you nice and calm. So here's the bonus. For those of you who struggle with anxiety, depression, panic attacks, this is a perfect mechanism for you. If you just try and do this whilst you're in the middle of a panic or an attack of any description, it actually lengthens out the breath for you and really does help you just to calm yourself, especially if you're in yogic child pose as well, with your head resting on the floor or on the palms of your hands. This is a wonderful way to just keep yourself nice and balanced and calm in these awful situations. Trust me, I know. I've had panic attacks and anxiety attacks for many, many years now. And whenever I feel one coming on, I will start by doing the Bumblebee Breath first. And if that doesn't work, I will get into child pose and then everything works beautifully. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. I hope that you enjoy this video. Please let me know how you're getting on with it. If you've got any questions, just ask in the comments below. We always love to hear about your adventures with keto and intermittent fasting, and now with the Keto Calm series as well, helping you to stay well from mental health all the way through to physical health. That's why we're here. So thank you, and join me for the next video on the Liz and Scats channel.